Hello everyone! In this video, we will discuss how to check the efficacy of an ultrasonic cleaner. Appropriate cleaning of instruments is crucial in instrument reprocessing. Effective cleaning of instrument surfaces is essential for optimum sterilization. Instrument cleaning methods in the CSSD involve manual cleaning with detergents and brushes, and mechanical cleaning with washer disinfectors and ultrasonic cleaner. An ultrasonic cleaner removes soil from joints, crevices, lumens, and other difficult-to-access locations. The efficacy of an ultrasonic cleaner must be monitored routinely to ensure it is working correctly. According to the Association for the Advancement of Medical Instrumentation and accredited by the American National Standards Institute, ST 79-2010, the cleaning efficacy of any ultrasonic cleaner should be checked at least weekly, but preferably daily. The performance check aims to demonstrate the intensity and distribution of cavitation in an ultrasonic bath. There are 4 methods to check the performance of ultrasonic cleaners. Of these, the aluminum foil ablation test is easy to perform. There are many ways to perform the aluminum foil ablation test. A suitable stainless steel frame can be used for this. To perform the test, first prepare a stainless steel frame, as shown here. There should be 2 or 3 vertical rods of about 6 inches in length each. Take a sheet of household aluminum foil. The thickness of aluminum foil should be at least 0.025 millimeters. Cut 2 pieces of aluminum foil strips, one about 6 inches by 4 inches in dimension and another about 4 inches by 4 inches in dimension. Then, fix the bigger foil strip to the 2 vertical rods of the performance test frame. Then, fold the smaller foil strip over the 3rd vertical rod. Now, the frame with aluminum foils is ready for the performance test. Fill the ultrasonic cleaner with fresh water and cleaning solution according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Then, place the frame into the chamber. Then, follow the manufacturer's instructions to start the equipment and operate the bath for the predetermined exposure time. If the unit has a high and low setting options, set it high for the test. If the unit is working correctly, then after 1 to 2 minutes, the aluminum foil will be perforated or destroyed to a certain degree by the cavitation process. Remove the frame from the bath and foils from the frame. The presence of significant ablation or pebbling and a uniform pattern of dents and holes in the foil strips indicate the unit is working. If there is no pebbling or holes, the unit is not working and may require servicing. Following the completion of the test, drain the bath and aluminum foil. Thank you for watching this video.